Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Okay, guys, go, man. Today is day 4 of this build. Honestly, I'm taking it easy. I gotta wait a couple of days for these parts to come in, anyways. But I have some other stuff that I have to do. You know, kind of like this one right here. I'm putting the AC compressor in just to let it hang out in its spot, and then just cleaning up a bunch of stuff that anything that I could, you know, taking out all the rust. Well, not the rust, not taking it out, but you know, grinding it with the wheel, the brush, and trying to clean as much as I can right now. I'm lubricating everything at this moment. Just kind of chilling today. Yeah, nothing crazy though, you know. I'm gonna drop it in here, and it should be sitting right, ready to work. Yeah, since today's job is super quick, let me just explain what we're doing. You know, this AC compressor is gonna go drop right in there, and we don't have to do anything else for today. Technically, this black line, would go over to the back, but I will do that later after I get everything else in. And it's pretty simple, man. It's an easy job. You know, not easy, because it's actually hard to get to this if you had to do it. Just this, but it's easy at this moment. So, yeah, 4 screws right to the side. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna show you the end result. Something quick, something simple today. Like I said, I'm just cleaning. I already did a bunch of cleaning on this again. Grinding off, and we're gonna keep on going. I'm waiting for the parts. Got 4 days. This is what it is. All right, so pretty much it's pretty simple at this point. There's a lot of crud and junk in there, but we're gonna put the 2 bottom bolts in and then kind of ease it down. So I can't do this with one hand, obviously, but that's what we're gonna get to. Yeah, I mean, it's real dirty, this one. As you can see, I got it in now, right? The last screw is gonna go right here. I gotta move it a little bit, and it's a 13mm bolt. 4 around, and then you just drop this pipe, black pipe, right over, and it'll be right in the back. So I don't wanna do it too early because I got hoses and stuff that I gotta put there. So that's obviously gonna be one of the last pieces at the end before I put the belt on. But look, it's sitting good, it's in. You just tighten up, done. It's funny too, we're just about to beat the rain. But yeah, it's in. Right. AC compressor is in. Looks a little nicer too with the heat shield from the muffler, which is perfect. So we got everything ready to go. Pretty much, like I said, we moved this one to the back and it's done. Right now I'm gonna leave it like that. So like I said, we still gotta finish the middle, but job, you know, job done. It seems like nothing's happening because it takes so long for things to move on. But it's like, once it goes up, like once the next piece is in, it's gonna go up and the engine is done. So it's, you know, we're pretty close to the end. New EGR valve, new EGR lines are coming, so you know, I'm excited on this one. You know, even the thermostat, I got the thermostat, but I don't got the gasket. So I'm gonna get a new gasket. I just ordered it. It's coming too. And everything, man, everything. So even for the throttle, you know, the throttle has a gasket, and the other housing adapter has another gasket. I had 1, not 2. I didn't even know, you know. So all this stuff could contribute to my misfire. Most definitely. So hopefully now when I put everything back together, it's gonna be great.